Hello, my name is Muhammad Hazki bin Rozi, and I want to demonstrate how to build a circuit, how to construct the circuit, which is the voltage divider bias using LTspice. So first of all, we take this component, which is the bipolar junction transistor. So we choose the component and we find the NPN junction. So we just put in the side. So after that, we use 5 resistor. So the resistor is this one, and we rotate the resistor and put at this one, this one, and this, and the other of 2 resistor. So after that, we use the voltage DC current, which is voltage in this, and put at this. By the way, we must know the polarity because we tak nak ada kesilapan. Yes, put at this side. So after that, we use a capacitor, 3 capacitor in this circuit. So we put this here and here. So after that, this circuit using ground, so don't forget to put the ground. So take here and put here. Okay. So we can run the circuit. So after that, we run the circuit and we can get this waveform. So this waveform is V out. So V out, we just put here and we can get the waveform. So V in also, V in, we put here, okay, yes, and we can get the V in. Yes. So in this sine waveform, which is the V is here. Yes, we can get the V N004, which is this one. So we can get the 3 sine waveform. So that's all for me, Muhammad Hazki bin Rozi. Thank you.